I've done several presentations on the parallel of the civil rights movement and the language rights movement because, for example, the Lau case, the famous one that came to the Supreme Court eventually, those students were actually racially segregated. They were not taught in Chinese. They were taught in English. And so the history really is about race. And language is an excuse, which is what they did in the Westminster case. They looked at children and if they were brown, they went over to the Spanish school. They weren't using, it wasn't really about language, it was really about race. And so I think historically we don't quite understand that, but when we see the civil rights movement was the same time as Cesar Chavez. So it's like there's a, they parallel beautifully. And they would phone each other. They never saw each other, Cesar Chavez and Martin Luther King Jr. They definitely were coming from a similar organizational push.